Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. First up we have someone going from shoulder length hair. So the stylist has the scissors, he begins cutting her blonde strands. And so far it looks like he's cutting the hair quite short, so I'm pretty sure she's going to be getting a pixie haircut with this one. So there's all the hair that the stylist has cut. Gorgeous. So this is on the longer side. Beautiful feathered bangs in the front. Beautiful pixie haircut. And if you guys are feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like and of course hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a hair video. So it looks like some color is going to be added for this next hair transformation. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. She went with a platinum trend. Her hair color looks amazing and I love it to see it in the bob haircut. So here we have someone with beautiful ginger colored hair getting their hair curled and styled. The stylist, the technique that she is using is adding so much volume to her hair. Beautiful texture throughout. She looks amazing. All right, you guys, so I don't know about you, but I always feel so inspired checking out these hair videos. If you are the same way, don't forget to check these out as well, and I will see you in the next one.